Welcome to Heavy Crypto. In this video, I will show you how exactly you can take advantage of arbitrage on Binance. So the concept of arbitrage is all about buying an asset from the market where it's being sold at a lower price and sell it to the market where it's being sold at a higher price. But in this video, we're gonna be a merchant at Binance Exchange and I'll show you how exactly you're gonna take advantage of arbitrage on Binance. So if you're new to this channel, well, this is Heavy Crypto. So basically, we try to find ways to improve our financial life through crypto. So without being said, let's jump right into the video.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take.
So what you are looking at right here is Binance interface, and I'm in South Africa right now, but in this video I'm gonna make an example of Nigerian currency called NGN. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead to spot exchange right here because I want to show you how much it costs. You can do this with mobile phone as well. It's the same thing, there's nothing different. So I'm just gonna go ahead right here and search NGN. Right, so you can see that here is a pair NGN Nigerian currency, and this is USDT NGN, meaning that $1 is equal to 614.8 NGN. And right here you can see that these are sellers and these are buyers, and the buyers are actually predicting that the Nigerian currency can actually go lower to 611.9, and these sellers are predicting that the Nigerian currency can actually go higher to 617.7 because they want to sell high and these ones they want to buy at a lower price, right? So the other thing I want to let you know is whenever you're buying cryptocurrencies on Binance, you should always use limit order because it's going to help you to pay less transaction fees. If you buy from the market right here, it means that you are taking straight from the market and you're going to pay fees. But if you use limit order, it means that you are a maker of the market and you are setting your own price. For example, if I don't want to buy NGN at this price, I'll go to limit right here and tell the system, well, I want to buy NGN when the price of the NGN hits 611.5 per NGN, and put the amount of USDT you have right here. Same thing applies right here. If you want to sell NGN at a higher price, just gonna go ahead and set your own price right here or choose from these orders. So right now I'm gonna take you to P2P tab and show you how exactly you're gonna beat up this market. So what you are looking at right here is P2P interface. So I'm just gonna go ahead and change the currency right here, NGN. So it's gonna show me all the sellers that are selling NGN right now. Now this is the interface of P2P on Binance, so we're just gonna go ahead and click NGN. So once you click NGN, you can see that a first person is selling from 50,000 to 150,000 at 0.99 per naira, and the second person is selling from 5,000 to 330,714 at 0.99 per naira. So these are all sellers right here. So we're gonna go ahead and click buy. Let's see. So let's say I want to buy 100,000 worth of NGN. I'm just gonna go ahead and click right here, 100,000. So right here you can see that we will receive extra 1,000 from this transaction. So now you can see that this is amazing and wonderful opportunity because we're gonna repeat this process again and again and again and make this passive income per day. Because from this transaction of 100,000, we will receive extra 1,000, which is amazing. So you can see that it's really easy to make money with arbitrage on Binance. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button right now for YouTube algorithm. It really helps the channel. And I know most of you already know how to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. If you don't know, make sure you drop a comment right now and I'll make a video specifically for that. And if I go back to USDT right now, and you can see that NGN is being sold at 600 per dollar, right? And this is zero gas fee, meaning that there's no gas by doing these transactions. So I'm just gonna go ahead to spot exchange right here with 100,000 worth of NGN. So let's say I have that 100,000 worth of NGN and I bought it at 600 per NGN, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead to spot exchange, say okay, 100,000. So we have 100 worth of GNG. Remember we bought GNG at 600, right? So right now we have 100 worth of GNG. And if we go right here, you can see that these people are predicting that the price of GNG will actually go to 615. Others are saying 617.3. And to be compatible, you can say, well, I can sell it at 615. And meaning that if the price of NGN hits 615, I'm gonna sell my order, right? And we bought it at 600, and right now we're selling at a higher price at 615.5 per NGN. And if I go on the chart right now, you can see that NGN can actually pump to 633, right? So, and I can actually put my order to 620, right, and click sell, meaning that if the price of NGN hits 620.5, I'm gonna sell my NGN. To make it easier for you heavy cryptos, remember I bought GNG from P2P market at 600 per GNG, right? And right here I'm selling my GNG at 620.5 per GNG. I'm gonna make extra 955. So you can see that this is actually a profitable strategy because you can actually repeat this process over and over again to make these profits. But remember, you can actually set your own price right here or click any amount on this order book. So you can see that you can do this over and over again to make these profitable gains and you are not exposed to risk that much, right? So recently I made a video of how you can actually arbitrage from different exchanges, right? If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Make sure you watch that video. It's really useful and it's gonna also help you to make a lot of income from this arbitrage game. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and hit the like button right now. It really helps the channel for YouTube algorithm. So this is it for today's video. Therefore, I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take